How to hide cookie related windows when visiting a website. I'm going to use Google Chrome for this. I pinned 3 websites here and I cannot use the website until I accept the cookies. The same thing for the second window. This one has it down here, and the third website, the same thing down here. So to make these windows disappear and use the website right away, come here to the 3 dots in the upper right corner, come down to extensions, visit Chrome Web Store. Here on the Web Store, type in the search box I don't care and use the first one, I don't care about cookies. Click on that one. Add that extension to the Chrome web browser. Add the extension. It was successfully added to the Chrome web browser and the extensions window is shown here. If I close it and click on that extension window, here is the extension which is called I don't care about cookies, which was installed right now. Okay, now if I visit the same websites, let's say this one, notice nothing showed up in the center and I can click on these links. The second website, it's not showing anything down here. And the third website, in the same manner, it's not showing anything down there. If I visit the previous website, that one, that is still showing it. If I don't want this small extension, I can go here to this icon and next to the name, to the 3 dots, remove from Chrome, remove the extension. Okay, and if I visit another website, it is still remembering my previous choice that the cookie related window was not shown, it was blocked, as you can see. And to make it ask again, come back to the 3 dots, delete browsing data. Here on the basic tab we have those 3 are checked, all time is checked, delete data. Now with those settings deleted, close that one also. Now if I click on the same websites, now they are asking for the cookies once again. Cookies, and the third one down here also asking for cookies. That's how to hide the cookies related windows using Google Chrome under Windows 10.